Hello everybody, welcome to educational classes. Today we will discuss NCERT chapter 2, which is Microorganism, Friend and Foe. So in today's class we will discuss about cells and its structure, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. In this class we will also read about bacteria, types of bacteria, how their structure are, how they increase their growth, and can they reproduce in the presence of oxygen or not. So without wasting our time, let us start from prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. So talking about prokaryotic cells, they are simple, old, and nucleus is absent. So before starting this, let us understand about the cell structure. So this uppermost layer, this one is cell wall, means this is the protective wall which protects the cell membrane. This cell wall protects this cell membrane. Okay, so the first one is cell membrane, the second circle is cell membrane, the third one is nucleus membrane, which protects nucleus. In this one, the fluids, means cytoplasm, the gel-like structures are also present, which are known as cytoplasm and fluid. Inside this, the nucleus membrane is there, which is to protect the nucleus. So this one is nucleus membrane and this one is nucleus. The nucleus membrane is there to protect the nucleus. So now we know all this about structure of cell. So we will start prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So these prokaryotic are simple, old, and nucleus is absent. In this I have told you about nucleus. Here it is nucleus. The nucleus helps in division of cell. The nucleus helps in division of cell. जो न्यूक्लियस होता है वो सेल को बढ़ाने में, उसके नंबर को बढ़ाने में, इंक्रीज करने में मदद करता है. So nucleus is absent in prokaryotic. In prokaryotic the nucleus is absent. These are old. These are very old cells and simple. So now eukaryotic. Second one is eukaryotic. Eukaryotic is complex, like our cells, like human cells. Complex, new. The human cells are also new, and nucleus is present. In human cells, nucleus is also present. So now let us study about bacteria. We have understood about prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So starting about bacteria, they are among the smallest and oldest organisms on our planet. Means bacteria जो हैं वो हमारे धरती हमारे planet के सबसे oldest पुराने organism है. We can say microorganism also, because they can be seen only under the microscope or a magnifying glass. So they are oldest organism of our planet. So now types of bacteria. There are also 4 types of bacteria. The first one is bacilli. The bacilli are like rod structure. Have you seen? I think you have seen the rod. So the bacilli bacteria are like rod structure. Cocci. This one is cocci. Spherical. Spherical means golakar. This type. The cocci bacteria are of spherical. And this spherillum. Spherical. Understand the difference between spherical and spherical. Spherical and spherical. Understand the difference between both of them. The spherical is like this. You have seen the spherical copy like this, and the spherical is like this. So understand the difference between them. The fourth one is vibrio, comma-like structure, like this. So the types of bacteria is completed. Coming to the structure and cell structure of bacteria. So the first point is a bacteria cell shows the presence of cell wall that surrounds cell membrane. I have already told you here that the bacterial cell shows that the presence of cell wall. Means in the bacteria cell, the cell wall is present, and cell wall that surround membrane, means the cell wall surrounds the membrane, cell membrane. So it covers, cell wall covers the cell membrane, means it protects the cell membrane. So here it is written, it protects the cell, means the cell wall protect whole cell. So that's why it is in the first circle, to protect the cell, whole cell. The nuclear material is not bonded by a nuclear membrane. Sorry, here will be bonded, sorry. So the nuclear material is bonded by nuclear membrane, means this is nuclear material, this one is nucleus, and it is bonded by the nuclear membrane. So the nuclear membrane also protects the nucleus, means the nuclear material. It is scattered in cytoplasm. This one is the nucleus is situated, means it is inside the cytoplasm. ये जो cytoplasm है उसके मीन्स फ्लूइड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर है. ये न्यूक्लियस जो है साइटोप्लाज्म के अंदर होता है. So now coming to the growth and nutrition of the bacteria. So the first point is, most of the bacteria are heterotrophic while others are autotrophic. फर्स्ट हेट्रोट्रॉपिक मीन्स पैरासाइट. हेट्रोट्रॉपिक वो होते हैं जो किसी दूसरे के ग्रोथ पे डिपेंड करें, जो किसी दूसरे के ग्रोथ पे खाना, भोजन या फिर शेल्टर के लिए एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड हो, उसे हम लोग हेट्रोट्रॉपिक कहते हैं. व्हाइल अदर्स आर ऑटोट्रॉपिक. ऑटोट्रॉपिक जो खुद से अपना काम कर लें, किसी पे डिपेंड ना हो. सो जो बैक्टीरिया होते हैं हेट्रोट्रॉपिक भी होते हैं, as well as they are also in autotrophic. So bacteria are both. The second one is, they can be aerobic. Aerobic means respire in presence of oxygen, or anaerobic which respire in absence of oxygen. Means bacteria presence, oxygen के presence में भी respire कर सकते हैं और oxygen के absence में भी respire कर सकते हैं. So there are two type of bacteria here also. It is divided into aerobic bacteria and anaerobic bacteria. Means aerobic bacteria can respire in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic cannot respire, can also respire in the absence of oxygen. So now we have done about cell structure, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, type of bacteria, their structure and nutrition and growth. So in next class we will read about algae, protozoa. So till then, stay connected. Thank you very much.